Hello, friends. Greetings from Siberia. You know, when temperatures outside drop to minus 50 degrees Celsius, you have plenty of time to think about efficiency. My name is Sergey. Like many of you, I run a machine shop. And like many of you, I struggled with one big headache, quoting. A customer brings a part, asks, how much? And you start guessing. You look at the ceiling, scribble on a napkin, and often, you end up working for pennies just to get the job. I decided to fix this. I wrote an application to automate these calculations. It worked perfectly for me and hundreds of local machinists here. But I wanted to share it with the world. Translating the interface was tricky. I didn't just want a direct translation. I wanted the correct shop terminology that Western machinists actually use. So, I did something risky. I took my app to the toughest critics I could find, the veterans at the Hobby-Machinist forum. If you know this community, you know they don't mess around. There are diamond and gold status members there with decades of experience. I posted my work, asking for a brutal audit of my terminology. The response blew me away. The thread exploded with over 96,000 views. Experienced machinists, people who have seen it all, reviewed the app. They checked the terms, the logic, and the workflow. Their feedback was clear. The terminology is spot on. But more importantly, the community confirmed that this tool is actually needed. They saw the value in having a quick, precise way to estimate turning and milling jobs without opening complex spreadsheets. So what is the result? This is the Metalworking Calculator. It's now fully adapted for English-speaking masters. It helps you calculate setup time, machining time, and material costs in seconds. It gives you a professional quote so you can look your customer in the eye and give them a fair price, without leaving money on the table. It's already tested by hundreds of machinists in Russia, and now, thanks to the feedback from the Hobby-Machinist community, it's ready for you. Stop guessing. Start quoting like a pro. Check the link in the description to see how it works. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.